The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, ما من أيام العمل الصالح فيهن أحب إلى الله تعالى منه في هذه الأيام العشر. That there are no days that are more beloved to Allah. Sarih, very clear. No more beloved days to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in which righteous actions that they are done than these 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. So Dhul Hijjah, of course, is the last month of the Islamic calendar. And just a week into that month, you will find millions of people. For some of them will be going on the journey of a lifetime. But they will be going to the plains of Arafah, and that they will make dua to Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala like they've never made dua to Allah Jalla wa Ala in their life. Quite possibly the most important day of dua in their lives. If that person only makes Hajj once in their life, and that Yawmu Arafah is the day that you put it out there to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala.